how to change the app name on iPhone easily. First, open up the Safari web browser and then tap on the add button. Here we type in the name of the app icon, so YouTube icon. And here open it, then touch and hold, then save to photos. Now we go back up and swipe across now, and in app library open up shortcut. Next we're going to create a new shortcut, so go into shortcuts and then tap on add. Next go down here and we look for the app name to change, so I'm going to choose open app and then tap on app. Go down and select YouTube, and then in here we tap on the share button and tap on add to home screen. Next we go down and give the shortcut a name, so you can name it whatever you like. So here we name it as You Movies, and then go down and select a photo, choose photo and choose an icon, then tap on choose, then tap on add, and that's it. So we've got You Movies here. Now you can place it wherever you like, and that's it. So that's how you can change the app icon names on the iPhone easily. Thank you for watching.